Hello, welcome to Oikonomia TV. My name is Jennifer Tala. Today, I just want to share with you about unity. Here at Oikonomia TV, we value unity. Learn to appreciate one another. Do not judge other people. It doesn't matter what belief system you have. It does not matter what qualification you've got. It doesn't matter who you are, what age you are. Learn to love other people the same way you love yourself. Alleviate one another, uplift one another, inspire others, motivate each other. And together we become successful in life. You want to run fast? Go alone. But if you want to go far, go together. And together we become stronger and successful. Thank you for watching us today. And don't forget to subscribe on our YouTube channel, Oikonomia TV, and follow us on Facebook and Instagram. Thank you.